Hello YouTube. Well, today we did a little project. Made a Yz250 do-it-yourself skid plate. So, here's what we started with. Started with a cardboard template, traced out the bottom of the frame on an old Miller High Life case. Ended up trimming it off about here. I trimmed lots of it off all over the place actually. But that's custom fit, you know. So next things next was traced it out onto a plastic brick board. That's what you would put it, like it's a corner board for putting on loads of brick when you're flatbedding. I'm a trucker, so you know, use what you got. Nice plastic, Teflon plastic. So anyway, a little window for the pipe mount. Bent it all around. Linkage guard. Drain hole for changing the oil. Panhead bolts. Nice job cutting her up. Little plate inside to hold her still. So the trick to bending this was a lot of time, propane torch, and just be patient and get her done. You know, got nicely bent all in the front. I had C-clamp right here by the gear shifter to hold it up. And I just kept bending and forming and trimming, and now it is what it is. So, we are. So, another little trick I do. Key Red dirt jump tire. And I use this gasket maker type stuff. It's super crazy adhesive. I clamped a piece of wood on there to hold that on. And basically that's it. Your Yz250 skid plate. Do it yourself.